All right, well done, guys. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Good afternoon, my time from this side. Good afternoon. So, whatever time you're joining from, whatever time zone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to everybody. So, I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. I'd like to let you know where exactly are you guys at? Where you at? Where are you at? That's what I'd like to know. Where you at? All right. So, it's about time. Uh, drop your location. Drop Kenny from Ireland. Oh, nice. Drop your location, guys. Kogi, Ghana, Uyo, Australia, Mozambique, Zambia, Igbogo, Lokoja, Sabah, ABJ, Benin Republic, UK, Ilorin, Ghana, different part of the whole world. So what you need to do now, guys, you already know. So take this, share this link with your people. Let them come and join. Let them join now. Let them join. Share with your WhatsApp story, your Instagram story. Give them this link. Let them be able to join. Let's make money together. All right. Let's make some money together. Let's make some money together. So if you're excited and you know that we're going to make money today, share this link with your friends. Share with them. Let's make some money together. Because me, I'm ready. I'm pumped. And I'm ready to do it again with you guys today. I'm ready. All right. So without further ado, today I'm just going to be dealing with two sets of people. I'm going to be taking the beginners. I'm going to be taking this. Okay, now let's focus on only beginners. Sorry. Because it says live trading Forex with Jeffrey Benson for beginners. So as a beginner, you should already have your broker set up by now, because I always talk about it. But however, if you've not had your brokerage set up yet, please kindly use my link to join essexmarkets.com. I always post that on my Telegram channel. Use that right now to be a part of us. All right, use that right now to be a part of us. So now, how do you join the Telegram channel, or how do you actually get access to start taking SS markets? So I think on the Telegram channel, you need to come on here. Use this link that I always send every morning. This is the link right here on ssmarkets.com. Use this link and you join us ASAP. So you paste it here, and then you go like this. All you need to do is to fill out the short form, your country and all of that, put in your password, repeat the password. This partner code should show there. You click on register and then you should be in. With this your broker, you should be able to link your account here to your MetaTrader 5. So how many of you have gone past this stage? Drop number 2 if you have gone past this stage. Drop number 2 if you have gone past this stage. If you already have a brokerage account, you have everything set up, you are ready to trade with me now, drop number 2. Drop number 2, because let's go, because if you're body now, I'm active. Para. Drop number 2 if you've done this stage and you're ready to trade with me now. Okay, many people have gone this stage. So for those who are new, please make sure you follow the simple process. So you want access to the Telegram, right? If you want access to the Telegram, let me give you the link ASAP. Let me give you the link to the Telegram. It's for free. You can be a part of it for free. It's either you use our website, which is 5pipsfs.com, and you check the footer, or just use this one directly to join the Telegram. Just use this one directly to join the Telegram. This is the Telegram link right now displaying on your screen. Use that to join the Telegram. The Telegram right now, we are about 218,480 subscribers. Please do not join fake one. Please. There are a lot of people impersonating, telling you that they are me out there. Never listen to them. It's not true. And I'm never going to ask you for money. Defrauding people, even on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, Facebook, do not send them money. WhatsApp, Telegram, don't send them money. All right? So without further ado, let's do analysis and let's start placing trades, since we have most of the people here ready to take trades. So first off, I'm seeing an opportunity on USDJPY. And this opportunity happens to be a sell opportunity. It happens to be a sell opportunity, but let's watch it. Let's still watch it and see what's going on. Let me also check CHF JPY. All the JPY pairs, they are looking really nice. JPY is okay. So let's go on USD JPY. Let's quickly sell USD JPY instead. This one is gone. I saw the two of them just before I wanted to come on live. I was with my physical student here in Lekki. Before I came on live now, I was seeing this opportunity with them. But now I see that one is already playing out, which is CHF JPY. So now go short on this one. Sell USD JPY. Sell USD JPY. So for those who want to be getting my signals every day, you can be a part of my Telegram too. I share one free signal every day, one signal every day to those who are on my free signal. So if you want to be a part of the VIP that gets my exact trades that I trade every day, the same number I have every day, then you have to join the VIP just for $75. If you find it really worth, for those who have been around, they know that it's been a banger. So now I'm also getting in on this trade too. I'm getting in on this trade. USD JPY, I'm in for a sell. I'm in right now for a sell. Oh, this person is calling me. Take his number and call him privately. Like he's trying to find his way here. But don't go far. I'm placing my trade. Thank you. So our stop loss is going to be here. Let's make it 22 pips for the sell. And then we're going to target twice as much in profit. So we already targeted twice as much. So our stop loss is going to be our stop loss is going to be 145.137. 145.147. So do that now, guys. 145. Just one entry. I'll tell you when to enter the other one. 145.137. Do that right now. Do that right now, guys. 145.137. So let me send this one to the Telegram for those, because there are more people there that are not here, so they'll be able to take it. Nice. Our first trade today, USD JPY is the pair. It's a sell, SL, and then TP. Take profit is twice as much, which will put us at 144.418. 144.418. Bam. So that one is already going. It's gone. So let's look around. CHF JPY was another pair. Let me see if there's a place for us to still get in. CHF JPY. Okay, it's retracing a little bit. I was seeing a sell from this CHF JPY. I mean, the last trade I even took off this CHF JPY was not even a great one. I hit my stop loss, so I'm just a little bit more careful. If you notice, the candles are not really moving clean. It's just been choppy, so let's be very careful with this one too, in particular. So let's check GBP USD. This pair is really my first love because I've made loads of money with this pair, in particular. All right, so let's see. So what I always love to look out for in trade is if there is a pattern. I love to look out for pattern and to see whether we are in an impulsive side. So for the benefit, since I'm dealing with beginner, making this video for beginners, let me make it a lot more simpler. Anytime you get in on a trade first, or you get in on a chart, the first thing you want to see is market in an impulsive state or it's in a correction state. Because market never move in one way, it moves in like wave. So what does that mean? Market might start like this, move up, it will rest, move up again, move up and relax and come down a bit, move up like that. So we call this, all this move up that has here, we call them impulsive move. Then we call this coming down, we call it corrective, or we call them pullback, as the name may imply. So let's look for this pattern. This thing I just showed you now, let's look for it in real charts. So first thing first, why you see that I analyze my chart so fast, can be seeing this a lot. You see, market move down and then move back up. It move down, it move back up, it move down, it move back up. It cannot just go one way. It move down. It moved up, to move down again. That's how you always move. If you pay attention, for you to just see market go one way, you will never see it. It doesn't just go one way. So what do I now? When I get in, I ask myself first off, are we going to see this market go one way? All right, can you guys hear me now? Uh, can you guys hear me now? If you can hear me, drop number three, please. If you can hear me, drop number three, drop number three, drop number three. The network is so crazy today. I don't know. If you can hear me, drop number three. If you can hear me clearly, drop number three. Let me be sure. Okay, we can't. Okay, they can hear me but can't see me yet. Okay, they can. Okay, hold on. Let me try to fix. See, this reason why coming to office is just a very big headache. The network here is not so strong. If I was to do this from home, so just before I went live, where did we stop hearing me from? Okay, okay, okay. So you guys can see me now. I can confirm here that you guys can see me. You can hear me and everything. Correct. Drop number three if you can see me and hear me. Drop number three. Drop number three. Drop number three. Thank you guys for waiting. I really appreciate it. Okay, now let's even go harder. We are everywhere. Someone say use Starlink now. It's Starlink that is putting me in trouble like this. I'm using Starlink, but it's still not working. I just have to switch to my own personal MTN. I hope that works well. That works better. So now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I was about to switch to gold. I explained, I'm sure you guys saw what I explained regarding the structure, market structure. So market structure answers the question where are we? That's what it answers. So once you have been able to use market structure to spot where you are, then the next time is for you to start taking trades, right? Start benefiting off of that. So now on XAUSD, which is the most loved pair, this pair has sent so many people back to their village, but then it's still so loved. People love this pair because of the how quick you can give money and how quick you can also take too as well. Okay, I know many people love it quick. So let me still do the analysis on gold. So for gold, I'm seeing a very good push up in price, but now market is really ranging at this point. Indecision. We saw what happened in the fundamental side. Started experiencing immediately. The news, the trade war ended. They're able to reach a very decent agreement. We started seeing that a sharp decline on gold started happening. Ever since then, it's just been in the down. It's been declining. All right. But right now, if we have to do anything on gold, I would say stick to the side of the bar. Stick to buy side. All right. Like today with this structure. So that's for gold. Nothing really much going on there. Let's look out for GBP, JPY. On GBP, JPY, I'm also seeing a sell. I'm seeing a sell move on GBP, JPY. I'm seeing a sell move. The same way I'm seeing on Euro USD JPY, CHF JPY, I'm also seeing a sell move on GBP JPY. But I'll wait for price to take out this low before I start taking any action at all. At all, should take out this low. Now I'd like to take out this low. So once price take out this slow, sweep it up, closes below here, then I'll be very confident and then I'll go in for a sell. Sell will be my option right here once it is time. All right. Then the next pair again I'd love to look out for is US oil. US oil. US oil, we've been killing this pair back to back for a very long time now. For a very long time, we've been making loads of money on this pair. So let's check if there's anything for us. Oh, it's a buy situation. Buy on US oil. But they're not going in, it's already overextended on US oil. Let's check other pair. Let's check other pairs. Other pairs. Let me check CHF JPY again. Let me check CHF JPY. It's beginning to slow down at this point. Push up. No action, just leave it open. Now let's check the one that we are currently in USD JPY. We are in on the sell. Remember, we got in somewhere around here and the price is currently here. Now add one more position. Add one more, the same position you had before, add one more. I'm also doing that too. So the reason why I did that decision, so I have a particular risk limit I have every day, right? So I'm adding because I noticed that there's no really opportunity in other pairs. So I rather want to risk the limit for that I have for today here. So what I'm doing is I'm getting in with 50 lot, 50 lot, 50 lot. For the first one, I got in with a 50 lot, and I'm getting with 50 lot. Yours might not be 50 lot. Don't distract people. All right. Focus on the learning process. So if you had used one standard lot size before, now use that same one standard lot size. That's if one standard lot size was half of the amount of money you're supposed to risk today. So I'm going to talk a little bit about risks. So some of you think when you fund your money in trading, you should risk everything. No, that's gambling now. You don't understand trading. You can decide to risk a portion. Why did we say stop loss? Stop loss helps you to risk a portion, and then lot sizing helps you to determine the amount at which you should be risking at that particular time. So it's very important. So if you got in this other no one, you should be very like I am. I'm also in profit. I got into two. So the one I got in now, when it went up, is a more profit. Let me just show you that before we proceed. See, I'm in $2,800 in profit. Can you see the lot sizes? Just check. This is a new account I started again. This is 200K. Can you see? Good. So please pay attention. Beyond the money we are making, you trade with me every now and every morning. We make money consistently, right? Beyond the money, listen to these lessons. So, for example, you woke up wanting to risk $100 of your account. All right. maybe your account was $2,000, you want to risk 5%, $100. So let's say 0.05 was you risking $50 that you put in before. Remember, I told you not to put all of them just once, put in one position at a time. So now, I think this concept explained. You ask me, why don't I just put 100 losses at once? Why am I splitting it? People ask that question a lot. This is the explanation. Because I don't want to close all of them all out at once, and also I also don't want to get in all of the entry at once. I love to have them spread based on based on my point of entry might differ, because I'm not always sure whether the trade I get in will go into profit. I mean, that's not my concern. I'm not really concerned. What I'm most concerned about is I'm concerned about whether or not my account balance that I came into this market today will still intact. That's my first priority, capital protection. So since that is my first priority, I have to make sure I fight to make sure that I keep that account balance I came in with. But whereas you, maybe a losing trader, you are concerned about how much you would make, whether you are right, whether it is a sell. What is going on? This network is really messing me up. I don't know. Okay, we're back now. Are you guys following me? If you follow me, drop number 4. Drop number 4 in the chat box. Let me be sure. If you are following me up onto this extent, drop number 4. Drop number 4. Okay, nice. Fortune says following me. Meka is following. LW is following. Adebo is for Adebo. Yeah, it's following. Many people are following. Okay, good. So now let's go. Enough of the talk. Let's just be looking for trades. I know you guys want trades. Let me give you what you want now, not what you need. You want that, I'll give you what you want. Let's go. So USDJPY, we are currently in with 2 positions and we are currently crashing. I'm going in profit. Nice stuff. I'm also in profit of about $2,000 now. So you guys can already see it's $2,000 right there. Okay. So many of you should also be in profit. Now, for those who ask me what brokerage am I using, I'm using this X Market. I shared the link. Please do not sign up without using my link, because I get a commission for referring you on no extra cost on you, no extra charge. Please kindly do that, because I take out my time to make sure I teach you, I trade with you guys here. Do that for me. All right. Use this link right now to sign up. If you want to do that, sign up, join us, fund your account, and do the needful. All right, so good. Now let's look out for more other pair that I think you guys would, where we can have trade. Let's see AUD-JPY. So one of the style that I use most of the time is if I see that JPY pairs are declining or they are increasing, I'm going to start looking for pairs that are in that line so that we can have more trading opportunities for the day. So like AUD-JPY is also very good for a sell, but then price has already moved past. This is a very good M pattern that happened here. This is a very good sharp M pattern. It came down, went up again, and then it dropped. So from here should have been our sell order. We should have sold from here, and then we'll be by now. You need to catch that, no problem. There's still something that we can do. So we're going to wait for a little bit of retracement for price to come down back to this point, and then we'll go in from here. That's on AUD-JPY. Then the target will be on this low, and then our stop will be exactly on this recent high. That's about risking 11 pips to catch thrice as much, to catch 33 pips, thrice as much. That's a really good way. That's a really good profit, risk to reward. All right. So if it pulls back a bit, you can still join. AUD-JPY is good, but I'm not getting in because I've already exhausted my 2 entries on USD-JPY. For those that still have room for their risk limits for today, do that, and you join. All right. There's a lot of money to clear. I mean, you should be clearing the bag every day. If you're not clearing the bag there, you're probably doing things wrong. You should be in the right team. So let me give you guys a little bit of review of my trading. This is the premium channel. My premium subscribers, people that subscribe to my VIP signals, right? So see what this guy says. Say, God bless you, boss. I made more than enough for the day. I'm very grateful. I just joined the VIP page on Sunday and I'm already flying in more profits. Can you see? Backed up with profit proof. So there are a lot of other ones. You can see their profits. And then you see this guy made $6,200. There are different people making different amount. This guy deposited $55 and he has profited $122 so far. Conservative result that I'm showing you. I'm not showing you results that is 100,000, 400,000. No, I'm showing you conservative, realistic result that you too can also be generating right from the comfort of your home at a very. But then if you have to join the free one, you see the free one is packed, 218,000 people. That's for this month. So for this month on the VIP, tomorrow is going to be the last. Tomorrow is going to be the last. How did we get here? Tomorrow should be the last time that people should join, and then we'll just focus, close everything up, and then we'll start trading back to back only. Focus on trading. All right. So with that being said, give me any pair recommendation you like me to look out for you. Give me pair recommendation before this network start acting up. Give me pair recommendation. What pair would you like me to look out for? Maybe you were in that trade before I called it, or before I came on live. You want me to confirm whether it's still going in your direction. Drop the pair recommendation. And I'd love to give a shout out to people that join us here on YouTube, our members here on YouTube. Chukwu Emeka Onoha, thank you for being a part of. If you have any questions, usually people that join this YouTube membership are people that have questions and want me to read their question fast, or they have an opinion, they want me to see it fast. Those are people that comment, that join. So if you ever have that and you want to be a part of it, it's fine. But otherwise, it's also decent if you are not comfortable joining too. All right, cool. So let's see. Someone said USD card. I've seen a lot of USD card requests. So let me check USD card for you guys. USD card, that's United States dollar, Canadian dollar. USD card. USD card is still going on a sell. Why? The impulse move is not completed. Remember a while ago, I told you how I always determine whether I'm going to be buying or whether I'm going to be selling, right? I first of all look at where are we. That's what you see, but I do my analysis so far. Some of you will be thinking like, well, show me how I did it. I can't show you here. If you really want to learn how it works, you can come to firepipsfs.com. This is where tomorrow I'm also going to be having this same type of life where I'm going to be trading again with the paid student, but this time it's going to be paid and it's going to be more energy put into that, right? And that means I'm going to be teaching what I'm saying and why. So for this one, I'm still seeing a sell. Never change a bias because it's giving you a sign of the opposite side. Follow the straight bias that you were given from the get-go when you got into the entry. So this is still a sell. The market is not gotten to a level of decline, of climbing yet. So it's still going to be a drop. So if you're on the sell, keep holding a buy, type in your stop loss, and be careful with the way you approach this particular USD card. All right. So I see someone. Oh, I wasn't sharing my screen. Sorry about that. Let me share now. From this point, you can see price is giving hesitation as though you want to start going up, but it's not. You're going to see multiple rejection in about 51 seconds from now. This candle should close and come. The next one should come back down, most likely, because of this multiple rejection that's going to give somewhere around here. Then you should be experiencing more of drops. So if you're on a sell, keep holding your sell. If you're on a buy, just be careful with that part, with this part of your holding face. All right, be tightening your stop loss. That's what I expect you to do now. So someone said Euro AUD. This is from Austin Sparks. Austin Sparks want us to check out Euro AUD. So no problem, Austin Sparks. Let's go. So with Euro AUD, decent amount of movement I'm seeing already. I'm seeing a sell. Why? We see a lot of rejections right now, and then we saw a breakout to the downside. The market is just trying to reject it. So from here, we should keep tanking. So it's a sell. If you're on a sell, you can keep holding your sell, guys. Keep holding your sell. So now let's go check the pair that I analyzed a while ago, whether it is true on USD card. I said in 51 minutes, whether it did close bearish on it. Can you see? It was very bullish. See, the next one is coming bearish. Don't play. So now that's going. And the next one again, we should look out for is GBP USD. I think Carlos Rian Wako, he probably came late, but then let's look at it for you again because we've seen it before on GBP USD. So let's go ahead and see again GBP USD. So for GBP USD, I'm seeing a choppy movement. Do not trade this pair right now because it's just too choppy. Do not trade it. Just let it be and don't trade for now. For now. Thank you very much, guys. So, which other pair would you like me to check out for you? Which other pair would you like me to check out for you guys? Uh, who is bringing another pair? Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Okay, I'm gonna check Euro JPY right now. For Euro JPY, I'm seeing a really good downturns coming soon. But it's just in between of nowhere, in between the middle of nowhere and between the middle. Don't take anything. Don't take anything. Don't take no trades at this point. Just let it go. Just let it go. So most traders really are really not doing well. Let me check Forex Factory. Maybe there's something is going on today. Market's really not moving well as opposed to there's bank holiday in Canada. I mean, they're not even awake yet. So what's happening in Canada today? Let's check. It's observance of Victoria Day. Okay, it's fair enough. Card is there's not going to be there's going to be holiday for card, and there's not much activity really going on today on Monday. There's not much activity going on Monday. All right, so let us wait for the pair that we called out, which is USDJPY. Do not be afraid. We right now have two opportunities. Put your stop loss and just lock up. That's how trading works. Put your stop loss and then just do as if you're not on the trade, right? So everything will play out soon. So let me get some more questions that are beginner friendly, and then I get to answer that whilst we wait on our position. So let's go talk about the position that we are in, and also talk about your questions that you might have regarding trading. If I see these questions, I'm going to answer them immediately. Now, the trade today, I mean, the network today is not the best. Please, trading investment plan. I don't have no trading investment plan. Max Onyebuchi, you are probably dealing with a scammer. He's telling you about trading investment plans. I don't have that. If anybody is telling you about investment plan, just know that that's not me. See, this is how many people get scammed, and they say I'm the one that scammed them. Thank God you even ask here why we are alive. I don't do no investments. I don't have no plans of investments. Do not. It's a scam. Run for your life. Thank you very much. I see someone that is accusing me of taking his money, and I'm like, I'm laughing. What's the proof? When I ask you to send me money or anything, and I always make this announcement every now and then. If I ask you to send me money, do not send it. It's a scam. If anybody that looks like me says so, some of you, because they just put my profile picture and my picture as their profile picture, who call themselves my name, and you think, I mean, this is you should already know now. We're in social media age. You should know these basic things for yourself. All right. So let's check on. I've seen someone be spamming Euro USD scenes. So let's check. So anti-pass. You talk about Euro USD. Let me check Euro USD for you then. Euro USD. Euro USD is just similar to GBP like we looked at a while ago, but this is still looking like an upward push. So just recently broke above this high, and this high is significant. So because it is now price is stressing here, so we might have an upward push, continue move to the upside. If this candle is unable to break this line, if price is unable to break here, then we should be having an upward push. So it's breaking this initial high because this is an impulse correction. It broke this high, then we should be seeing continuation to the high side. All right, to the top. That's what I'm saying there. Let it keep going, and then close this up, and the next candle come to test it again. You know, we are in for the long ride for the buy on Euro USD. That's the analysis for today on Euro USD. So let me see which other one. Do you make use of indicators? No, I don't make use of indicators anymore. I don't make use of indicators anymore. I do not. That doesn't mean those that use indicators don't know what they are doing. No. As long as it's making sense for them, they are making money, they know what they're doing, right? So I don't want you to have a mindset, misconception that is going around on YouTube that people that use indicators are losers. Nah, it's a misconception. It's a misconception. Okay, this is the guy, Richard Owen, that asked. I hope I'm able to answer you. Okay, good. I've been able to join your class in Asaba. What is stopping you, GBK? Go join Okpanam Road. Go join Lajonic Mall. You should go join ASAP. ASAP. You can see our office address right now. This is the office address scrolling through your screen. Can you see Asaba? This is where you should go join. But this batch is already gone. Join the next batch. It's batch by batch. You go right now, register and join the waiting list for the next batch. Go and join now. Okay. Which other important question? How to calculate pips on trading view? Someone just asked that question. This is from Rio FX. Rio FX says, how do we calculate pips on? So now, for example, I'm on Euro USD. How to calculate pips? You see this measure tool that looks like our traditional ruler. You have to tap on it. Say, for example, I want to measure the movement from when it started of this particular candle from here to where it stopped. So the pip is sitting at this point, the last part to your right. So we can say that this candles move 15 pips, 15.4. 4 in this case is called pipette. 15 is the real pip. So you say 15 pips movement. All right. And how does that translate to money? If you put one lot size on the 15 pips, that means you would have made $150 around that range. No, it's form of range. There are other factors that can determine whether you're making $150, whether you're going to make that in terms of factors like volatility. I wouldn't want to go there because you're a beginner. Just take it as 15 pips times $10. For one standard lot size, if you put one standard lot size, simply every pip in $10. All right. Again, there are other factors depending on the pair and the volatility, but we always just used to teach that is $10. For 0.1 lot size, for every pip movement for and against, you are making or losing $1. For 0.01, you are making or losing 10 cents. One standard lot size, you are making or losing $10. All right. So if you put one standard lot size on these 15 people, pip movement, that means you would have been making or losing. If you move in your favor, you'll be making 150. If it's against you, you'll also be losing same. I hope that makes sense. Is 0.2 good for $60 account size? Account size is too much. Shad Johnson, that is way too much. So let me give you a quick breakdown of how it works. So let's say that your account size, okay, you said you already gave us the math that is $60, right? This is why it's important you go to a proper academy where you are taught these things. So let's say it's $60 you have, right? Then you selected at the back end, maybe you selected a leverage of 1 to 1,000. So this 1 to 1,000, they're going to give you, for every $1 you bring times 1,000. So you have $60 now. That means you have $60,000 buying capacity. Correct? $60,000 buying capacity. That means though you have $60, you can even go as far as placing 0.6 lot size. How did I know that? Come here and look for lot size in Forex and go to the image side. I just want to use it to explain something to you. Hang on. Come here. So can you see it says for you to one standard lot size, you need 100,000 units, 1.0, and then you make $10, which is what I recited to you. So since you have a buying capacity of $60,000, that means you are playing in the mini section, but it's going to be 0.6, right? So for you to be able to even buy 0.1, you need minimum of $10,000. So now you don't have $60. Broker gave you leverage, and then you're able to now even play in that range, even though you're not supposed to play there. Now, if you have $60 placing 0.2, it means that you just spent how much? By this chart, you just spent $20,000 to place the trade. Broker is going to bring 99%, you are going to bring 0.1% of the trade. So you can still place the trade. But however, what is helping you is the leverage. But if the trade goes against you, if you use 0.2, if you only need how many? 0.2, remember 0.2, you need $1. You only need to move against you about 30 pips to blow your account. Remember, once your money is finished, broker will remove the money that they lent to you. That money is lent, they didn't dash you, they borrowed it to you. That's how best that explains this thing. So now, in the best lot size to use for 60 lot, simply to answer, is 0.01. So $60 rather is 0.01. 0.01 to 0.02. You will say 0.01 will not buy you Lamborghini. Like I always hear people say, yes, it will not buy. So fund enough money that can also buy you that Lamborghini. Don't pressure other people and don't pressure yourself. If you want to buy, you want to be dripping, you want to buy expensive things, you want to fund the money that look like what you want to buy. All right. Good luck, guys, for those who listen. That is risk management 101 I just gave you in a nutshell. Risk management 101. The idea for a question now is to discover it. Say it again, say it in case. Again. Oh, he said, when are you coming to Tanzania? Soon, 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 soon. Soon. Okay, so I'd have to talk a little bit about this trade and then call it a day. The network is really not smiling here. It's just been back and forth, back and forth. Been back and forth. Okay, let me touch on the trades and then call it a day. Just hang on. USD JPY. So you can always continue with my trading analysis and everything with my trade by just joining my Telegram channel. You always be able to copy my trades and all of that. All right, at least one of my trade every day, every day, every day, every day. So you can see we are back in profit again on our USD JPY. This trade, minimum today, this trade should give us. This trade should give me like about 20K. Yes, it can do that, and it will also do same for you. I want us to be in a decent amount of profit before I leave you, just in case you don't know what I'm trying to do. I want us to be in a decent amount of profit so that you guys can now gain confidence and then you'll be able to hold the other one on your own. So I get doing so. Like my trades are always very apt. Like for example, the ones that, let me show you my history. For those that are seeing me for the first time, I will not tell you to subscribe to my channel, but let me show you in terms of workings. In terms of workings, let me show you in terms of how many of you saw this picture? Power, right? Energy. Nice, nice. So let me show you in terms of workings now. So these are people screenshotting. I don't want to show you just people screen. I want to show you before and after I call the trade. That's what this is the before on US oil. This is the still the before. I showed you that I entered the trade. This is me confirming that I'm in. I think just and this is the result afterwards. Okay. Let's go for that. This is another testimonial people sending. Testimonial that people sending. This is another one, another day again for you guys. It's closing again. I don't know. Network is not letting me show workings, but then it's fine. Let's just take one more question and then we leave. One question and then we leave. Take question and we leave. Anytime I'm in at the office, it's always like that. It's better now, right? Let's try to switch to Starlink. So just 1 second. Let me try to switch to Starlink. Okay, now I think it's better. I think it's better. Can you see? I think it should be better now. I'm back, right? Okay. So let's check the update because the candle just closed again. So this candle closed bearish. That's all we need to see. Since this candle has closed bearish, let's tighten our stop loss. Tighten your stop loss to this point. Our new stop loss now is 145.091. All that means is we are reducing our risk. 145.0091. So change your stop loss value now. Change your stop loss value to that figure, 145.91. So where we were risking 20 something, now we're not risking 17 pips only. 17 pips. 091. Change right now. I'm doing same too as well. I sent the update now to the Telegram. Let everybody adjust it. All right. Interesting. Live session is one of my most exciting time every day of the week because I'm always excited because I'm able to help many people to make multiple dollars. I help them to make a lot of money. So that's why I'm always very excited. So let's now focus on major concern that I always have. So over the time, we all notice that there are some people that they come in with small amount of profit and money, expecting to make twice as much of that. In as much as that is doable, but it's important that it is not really applicable for everybody. It's not sustainable. There are times that when you get into trade, you first get into a very good drawdown. It might not touch your stop loss and then reverses and start going your direction. Can your trade? My question is, can your account hold that drawdown? And there are times that the trade can go to stop loss. It's not every time that we get to make profit, but most of the time we always get to make profit. What makes us an expert trader is not that we never make losses. It's the ability for us to keep our profits higher than our losses. So if that case scenario happens, will you be able to take the next trading opportunity? That's usually the next question. So it's important you risk a portion of your account. Don't just follow the trades, also follow the risk management teachings that we give here on YouTube. It's important you subscribe. That's the thing. All right. Um, any other question, guys? Any other question? Someone said I want to travel to Nigeria for from Tanzania to your academy. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, it is okay. You do that. Shinua Shebe. Shinua Chebe. I hope I'm correct the pronunciation. Um, Thank you very much, guys. I think I'll call it a day now because this trade is really. Don't worry, this trade is. It might be playing around up and down, but it's a short downtrend move. But even if it doesn't happen, we have a stop loss to catch us. That's one thing I love about stop loss. Stop loss is always saying, "Don't worry, if you are wrong, I'm here to catch you." So now we should be back in profit. It's just becoming just fluctuation, up and down, up and down, up and down. See, up and down like this. I'm up $400 again. But we're not going to close just yet. We're just going to keep looking. So it's back into loss again, $724 negative. Like that. The second one we entered is in profit. The first one is in loss. That is the two things. So you see how it's fluctuating. It's now back into profit of $200. I'm sure yours should also be like this. So be in contact, connection in the Telegram channel. I'm going to tell you when to close, obviously in profit. All right. Take it easy, guys, and bye for now. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Bye for now. Take it easy, guys. Someone someone said you love stop loss. You say you love stop loss. Yes, I do. Why should that? As a profitable trader, you should be well prepared. You should be well prepared to for as a profitable trader. You are thinking about the worst that can go wrong. All right. I'm not here to tell you words that can go wrong. It's important you pay attention to both sides. I love to always put stop losses. I'm proud of that. But you see, most of our time we always make profit. All right, we make profit because we plan for the worst. Can you see? Can you see all my trades? Go and check my histories now. It's not just about Me loving stop loss. Go and check. This is my before. All right. This is on pound yen. This is the afterwards. Pound yen. Where is that result? Pound yen result. CHFJPY. I dropped everything. You can see there's the before, there's the after, the before, the after, the before. Okay, yeah, it hit stop loss. I updated this one. But I think that's the only stop loss we had last week. The only one. Check around and see if you find any other one. None. And I'm not this. I'm a trader that I post both my wins and my losses back to back. Both my wins, my losses, you will see them. See this my pound yen and pound dollar. So it keeps going on and on like that. So that's how we keep dropping it. So guys, my screen wasn't showing at the time I was sharing. Network is really messing with us. So these are the proofs I was sharing a while ago. I show all this. Go check my Telegram channel and see my history. See history, you'll be able to tell that yes, this guy has been around for a long time. This is my CHL JPY. Can you see I'm in profit? And I made this much, 24K at the time. Now I've reset my account back to 200K. Let's go. This week we go crazy on these trades. We go crazy on these trades. So I'm sure you guys are in profit now or still in the trade. So keep holding your USD JPY. I'll communicate when you should exit it, and then I'll see you guys some other time. How many pips is the stop loss on USD JPY now? It is 17 pips. Let me just show that before I leave. It's 17 pips. How did I know from this count, this point? 17.9. That's the stop loss count. So just adjust it to this new figure here. 145.091. That's your new stop loss. And watch market just do its thing. If market comes back down here again, we're going to move our stop loss. We'll tighten to this new high. So that we'll be risking just tiny. Because my goal first is to make sure you'll not be risking 9 pips. My goal first is to make sure you are risking nothing. Then before we talk about profit. All right, take it easy, guys. Make sure you're a part of our academy. You are learning with us online if you need to do that, because I know it's very important for everybody to be a part of this, to be trading with me here. The more you see me trade, watch me trade, you become like it. You'll be better, be able to generate your own signal. You'll be able to be very independent and create the lifestyle you want. Make your own money with time. Trading is not easy. I'm not here to sell you fake dream. It's not easy, but is it doable? Yes, it is doable. It's going to take you time. Trading can take you 6 months. Some people take them 1 year, 2 years to really grasp, depending on how dedicated you are. You can't come in trading with one leg in and one leg out. You have to really be dedicated enough to see the result that you really want. All right. So that's why we have planned for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. But the real goal is for you to join the 1 year or the 6 month. That's a decent amount of time, ample space of time for you to really get it. So I saw someone, he sent someone to my academy, registered his brother, and then was angry that his brother wasn't really getting along as fast as he thought. And this brother has only started just 1 month. I have to call him out then, hey, 1 month is not enough for you to learn trading. To be very honest with you, I'm not trying to take side with your brother or anything, but truth is 1 month is too small. With everything here, even with the way it's looking complex, do you really think 1 month is enough for you to grasp this thing? Come on, give it enough time. Some of you went to school for 4 years and you still have one. You don't really understand your course fully. You're talking about something that's going to give you money real time. You want to get it immediately. So give it enough time. Practice. There's a time after you finish learning, you have to still sit back on your own and then you have to start learning yourself. That you learning yourself, when I mean studying your own self, mastering yourself, understanding your greed level, your fear level, your emotional states, and learning how to control that, then no one can even help you at that phase. You have to be the one to do it on your own. I hope that makes sense. Thank you very much. No risk, no Lambo. That's interesting, guys. So I'm excited. So this trade now is still in progress. So keep holding. We at a drawdown now. You see, stop loss is still here. Everything is still going on fine. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram channel. I'll keep you guys posted. Bye for now. Peace out. Take it easy and take it easy. Bye for now.